Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then hello, I'm Kesha East and this is my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see more videos from me. So today I'm doing quite a different video actually. I'm doing something that I've never ever done before, and that is DIY clip-in extensions. Now curly hair is the hardest hair to find clip-in extensions for because obviously the curl has to be right, the length has to be right, everything has to be right. Once you get the right curly clip-ins for your hair, then you're laughing because it looks banging. Who doesn't love long curly hair, right? So I've checked out this new website. It's called oozeoroz.com. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, sorry guys, but all the information of the type of hair that I'm using, the website, discount code, whatever you need is all gonna be in my description box below. So if you need to know anything, obviously look there, and of course if you have any questions ask me. I've had weave a few times and I've got obviously whoever's doing the weave to get the hair for me, so I've never actually ordered hair myself online, but I did see this website and it's got such good reviews from a few bloggers that I know, so I thought let's go on the site. So I found these beaut extensions. I got 3 bundles. It's called a Jerry Curl 18-inch wave. Now I know what you're thinking, that this is obviously dark brown and my hair is blonde, right? But if you see that my roots are quite dark, and this is kind of what I'm gonna go for, I'm gonna try and like clip them in and try and get rid of some of the blonde. So this is what the bundles look like. I've got 3 because I don't feel like I need any more once I comb them out and style it. That's the beauty thing about curly hair. Once you comb it out, as you can see, you get a bit of kink in there. So what you're gonna need for these DIY clip-ins is as follows: some clips and some thread. So I actually got this combo pack from Pax Cosmetics. Obviously you're gonna need a needle. I have like 5 needles here. You're gonna need a hairband when you're putting these extensions in your hair, and of course you're gonna need some extensions. Can I just say guys that this hair feels so righteous right now. So I got Brazilian human hair, and I always think, how do you know like when something's Brazilian or not? I just think, how are you ever gonna know where it's really from? But yeah, I don't care where this is from because it is mighty smooth. So I can release the hair. Okay guys, and these are the bundles. Whoop whoop. Guys, you don't know how excited I am to get this in my hair. So I've got my needle, I've got my thread. I hope you can sew guys, because you're gonna need to sew for this one. Get your thread. This is real haberdashery guys right here. Put the thread through the needle. You don't realize how shaky your hands are until you try and put thread in a needle. I'm gonna do it real long because I don't have to do that again and again and again. So guys, what's everyone up to? Can you believe that it is a Saturday night right now and I'm threading clip-ins? What goes downhill from 25? You heard it here first. I'm gonna get my hair. The hair is doubled up right now, and that just means that there's 2 rows in one. So I'm gonna start by measuring the back of my head, because obviously these are gonna clip into my hair. So this is about the width of my hair from the bottom. Just gonna cut it here. Great. And now this is going to be one of my tracks. Okay, because you can see it can clip there and it can clip there. And these clips can be tricky. You want to make sure that they're the right way around. So you want to stitch it onto the corners of the hair. So when you pop it open, do you see? That could go right into your scalp. So all I'm doing now is I'm going to put the thread through the clip in. So the clip-ins actually have holes in it, and I'm just gonna put the thread through the hole, through the track, and back again. So I'm just gonna put one on first because it can be quite fiddly, and then I can show you obviously how to do it on the other side. Okay, so you've got your hole, and the pin just simply goes through the hole, and you're just stitching through the hole. So I'm going to do the other side now. So you're stitching through the hole and through the hair, and threading it in so that the clip is secured. Super, super easy stuff, guys. Super easy, literally will take you 5 minutes. Okay, and then when you're done, you just want to make sure, obviously, that you secure the thread. So you can do that in so many different ways, but I just put the thread through the string, pull it, and then that creates like a knot in there. So you see? And look, see? It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna continue to do that, guys. And once I've put all my clips on, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I put them in and then how I style them. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have plaited my hair. I've just done them in 2 big plaits just for the sake of this video. Obviously, if you're actually putting these clip-ins in and you wanted them to look a lot more natural, then you would obviously do thinner plaits. The reason why I chose to plait my hair rather than just put the clip-ins with my natural hair is because, as I said, these extensions are a different color to mine. However, if I had blonde extensions, then I would simply just weave them into, I would just put them in to my normal hair. So I'm just gonna unclip. And you need to make sure that you hear them click. Great, okay, going for the next one. And obviously, because I doubled these up, guys, remember I told you I was doing 2 rows in one. It made things a lot quicker and a lot easier, and I would definitely recommend for you guys to do it that way. Okay, coming in around the front. As you can see, my natural hair color is blending beautifully on the top here. So now, once you've got your hair in, you need to obviously style the hair. I'm just gonna start separating the curls. This actually looks like my hair. And this side looks like, well. Okay, so right now this is how we're looking. I feel like the hair is just looking, honestly, this looks so natural and so real, it's actually blowing my mind. I might just fully leave this in and just tell everyone that I dyed my hair and that it grew overnight. So I'm gonna do a half up, half down hair situation. Literally just tie. And look at that, half up, half down. Looking good, guys. Look at that, guys, and that is just some rushed, like, quick clip-in situation. Like, can you imagine if you actually like took the time to plait the hair properly and like put it in properly? You know, you'd be laughing. You'd actually be laughing. I just can't get over how natural it looks. Like, it literally looks like my own hair. Okay, and it's just all natural all the way through. And yeah, oh my God, loving it. So guys, really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, I am about to go out somewhere. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm finna be going somewhere because this hair is popping right now. Really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it and creating my new look. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Any questions, guys, honestly, just ask below, and don't forget to check out the description box to find out all the information about the hair that I used.